Sabaydi. Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Today I'm gonna show you how to make something very easy and simple, but is so important. You cannot live in your kitchen without them. What I'm gonna have is garlic. So we are gonna do deep fried garlic today, okay? And it's very easy. Like I said, you need one of the blender, oil, and garlic peel. So I watched movie last night. So my movie about a couple hours, and I finished all the work. Look, and then I just put in refrigerator. Now I'm ready to cook. Okay. Okay. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna start to turn on the heat. Go ahead, make it like high heat. Okay. Anything with deep fry, you want the high heat. So I'm gonna go ahead use the vegetable oil at all way. So other than that, they won't be crispy, they'll be soggy, and we don't want that. Okay, so I'm gonna use half of the bottle of my oil, about right there. Okay, meanwhile, while I'm waiting for the oil to get hot, I'm gonna go ahead use my garlic to the blender. And when you do this, you know, you don't wanna be like, what you call, like not too mushy, you know what I mean? Just got a little bit. I show you. Okay, hang on. See how like you kind of like don't let it run, just stop a little bit. That way you kind of like see, you know, how big, how small you want. Okay, sometimes if you let it run, then you get like too mushy, and then they don't do it right. Okay, so now I kind of like look. Okay, look like just about right. Okay. My blend is supposed to be like that kind of texture. That's how I like it. Okay, I think my oil should be hot enough. Let's do the test first, okay? Okay, let's drop a piece there. Okay, that's good. Smells so good. Okay, here we go. Look at that beautiful color. You want it to be like light yellow, okay? Because it will continue cooking. So I'm gonna go ahead pour it out like this. I mean, if you wanna do like me, you have to be super strong, okay? Don't try if you're not strong enough. You can think that you can handle your stuff, okay? See how beautiful? Get it. And then I use two pot, okay? And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and continue the last of this. But look how beautiful this one was. See? It's very crispy, very crunchy. Now I'm gonna let it set. But meanwhile, I don't want them to stick together. I'm gonna do this a little bit. Help them to get the cool down. Okay. This one almost ready. See how like I do like this is second round. See my first one right here? My first one is right here. It's already cooked. And my third one not cooked yet, but this is my second round, okay? So I'm gonna do the same thing. This is perfect right now. I'm gonna sweep for, but it's really dangerous, okay? Guys, you have to be very, very careful and strong enough to lift it out, okay? Here we go. That's a crispy garlic, guy. What you think? See how it's beautiful golden color? And I just peeled from the fresh garlic, you see? And then you also have the oil. Garlic oil is good for everything, okay? You can deep fry your egg, or you can do fried rice, you can do spaghetti, anything you want. Save this one. This is good stuff, okay? And enjoy my video, guys. See you next time, okay? Bye bye. ลาก่อน